Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Target account. So if you also want to log in Target account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.target.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Target. You can see several options over here. At right, you'll be able to see the option for sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have Target account, simply click on the option create account and then you'll be able to create a Target account. If you already have a Target account and if you want to log into your account, simply click on the sign in option that you can see at the top. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official sign-in page for Target account. Now what you have to do is enter your email and password, or you can also enter your mobile phone number. Simply click on the box email or mobile phone. Now enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. If you do not want to enter your password, you can also use a passkey instead. Simply click on the option use a passkey instead. If you want to use the password, simply enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset your password. After that, what you have to do is click on the option sign in with password and then you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Target account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.